Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take a loan from KuCoin. First, navigate to the Finance section on the KuCoin platform and select Crypto Loans. This is where you'll find all the necessary information about borrowing digital assets. You can explore the various cryptocurrencies available for lending and borrowing, understanding the different options to suit your needs. It's a straightforward process designed to help you leverage your crypto assets effectively. Next, let's walk through the application process. You'll choose the cryptocurrency you wish to borrow and the collateral you'll provide, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then, input your desired loan amount and select a repayment period, which can range from 7 days to 28 days. Carefully review the daily interest rate and all terms and conditions. Once you're comfortable, confirm your application to proceed with securing your loan. Once your loan is active, it's crucial to manage it effectively. Regularly monitor your loan status and the health of your collateral to ensure it remains above the liquidation threshold. KuCoin provides tools to help you track this. You also have the flexibility to repay your loan early, or in some cases, apply for an extension. Be aware of the liquidation price and consider adding more collateral if needed to prevent automatic liquidation. Finally, let's cover loan repayment and completion. It's essential to repay your loan, including the principal and accrued interest, on or before the agreed-upon due date. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your KuCoin account for a smooth transaction. Once the repayment is successfully processed, your collateral will be automatically released back to your account. This completes the entire loan cycle, allowing you to manage your crypto assets efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.